I am delighted to welcome your scholar as a student in my 8th grade English Language Arts class at Whitewater Middle School. I'm Miss Kerr, and this is my 7th year at Whitewater and my 8th year teaching. 8th grade is a very exciting time, and I am thrilled to share this year with nearly 30 brilliant young people, your young people, our young people. Indeed, our 8th graders are the future of our community and our world. With our support and belief and their persistence and hard work, I believe that future will be bright and beautiful. As an English language arts teacher, I feel that a student's mastery of content in ELA is crucial to their future. Know that I will endeavor to provide your child a firm foundation in this area. A priority of mine is that all students leave my classroom seeing themselves as readers and writers. To that end, we will be reading 4 novels together as a class throughout the course of the year. Summer of the Mariposas, The Omnivore's Dilemma, Mouse, and Farewell to Manzanar. All of your students' assignments will be posted to Canvas in the event they are absent or have missing work. Additionally, grades will be updated weekly and can be reviewed at any time through PowerSchool. Homework will be assigned occasionally throughout the year and will typically consist of pre-reading our current novel. I'm always interested in learning more about my students. Please feel free to contact me during the year with any information, questions, or concerns you may have about your scholar. Please know that I will be in touch often as well, most frequently through Parent Square. Dr. Maya Angelou, a personal heroine of mine, writes, "When we come to it, we must confess that we are the possible. We are the miraculous, the true wonder of this world." I have high hopes and high expectations for the 2021-2022 school year. Young people are the true wonder of this world, and I look forward to moving from the possible to the miraculous with our 8th grade scholars. Thank you for your support and for entrusting your children to us. Now let's work together. Here's to a great year.